To find your Facebook draft post, all you have to need, tap this new post option, and here you can write anything. And now I'm tapping on this cross icon and tapping on save as draft. And here you can see my new post successfully saved in draft folder. Now I'm closing my Facebook app, relaunching the Facebook app, and now to see the draft post, I'm again tapping on this new post box. And here, if you don't see the draft post, then tap this notification option, and here you will find your saved draft post notification. Just tap on draft saved, and here you find all your saved draft post. Now from here you can actually edit any old draft post, and you can delete any draft post from here. So under this drafts list, here you will find all your Facebook draft post, and all your draft post will automatically expires in 3 days. So that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.